The world's first all-terrain hybrid pickup truck, the Great Wall Shanhaipao Hi4-T, is available starting at 228,800 yuan. The Great Wall Shanhaipao Hi4-T is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.0T engine and a P2 engine. Because the global version and the performance version have different product positionings, the equipment installed on the vehicles also differs. The appearance and interior of the 2.4T global version are essentially identical to the Shanhaipao Hi4-T global version and are equipped with a 2.4T diesel engine. According to the Great Wall Cannon's official website, the Great Wall Shanhai Cannon Hi4-T series models are divided into two distinct versions: the global version and the performance version. Their body dimensions are 5,440 by 1,991 by 1945 mm and 5,462 by 1,992 by 1960 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 3,350 mm. The vehicle utilizes a longitudinal parallel hybrid architecture equipped with a 2.0T engine, 9-hat transmission, and an integrated P2 front electric motor. Total power output is 300 kilowatts and 750 Newton meters. The engine delivers 180 kilowatts of maximum net power and 380 Newton meters of maximum net torque, while the electric motor produces 120 kilowatts of maximum power and 400 Newton meters of maximum torque. The vehicle is equipped with a 37.1 kilowatt-hours ternary lithium battery, providing a 115 kilometers NEDC pure electric range and a maximum external discharge of 6 kilowatts. NEDC comprehensive operating fuel consumption is 1.7 L/100 km and NEDC minimum state of charge fuel consumption is 7.9 L/100 km.